Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Monday, October 6th. So, uh, I'm just gonna be going over a trade I would have taken. Market's still like pretty early on, so I still might take something if I see something. I kind of doubt it though, because I don't really have a strong draw anymore. But, um, so this is the trade I would have taken. We have a 1 hour wick right here. We tap into on the 15 minute. We MSS on the 5 minute. We MSS, and on the 1 minute we have a entry on the first percent of fair value gap. So it was here, it opened, and I was like, oh, if we get to the top, then I'll take it because I was only aiming for this 1 hour wick CE below because right here. So I was like, oh, forget this, then I'll enter. But we didn't get it, and then we tapped into here, really close to my order, but then we pushed down, so I just took it off. But then we came back up, but then I already took my order off. I'm like, oh, I don't want to get into it again. But I need to learn how to trust myself more because, boom, we tapped the top of that first percent of fair value gap, body staying inside of it, and we pushed down to my TP in two candles, or three candles. So yeah, I just need to learn to trust myself. I was just kind of close to market open, and what else did I say? No news Monday, but I trade no news Mondays. I don't do too bad on them, so I just need to trust myself more and stop coping. So we also had this big midnight opening range, or like next day opening range gap, which is if you go into regular trading hours, none of this shows that this is a whole gap right here. That's why I have this fib level. So like my draw was pretty confident, I'd say. I just didn't take it because uh of the way we tapped into it and then we pushed down, and then I just took off my order. Also, we're at all-time highs, but okay. So also didn't take this. I mean, this one like actually makes sense for me not to take. Yeah, we got a market structure shift. Let me move this real quick. Market structure shift right here, but we're inside this bearish minus, what, bearish 15 minute fair value gap. So I didn't take this one. I would have been targeting this high right here, this 1 minute high. Looks like we could still come out and take it. I'd say like this play was like an A minus setup, and this is like a B minus, maybe like C plus setup, because this draw is a lot tougher, more 50-50, and this one was like very obvious. So yeah, this one didn't play out because obviously 50-50 draw right here. Yes, like we're in a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. We even tapped into this wick. We haven't tapped into 50% of it yet, but like it's very 50-50 here. Okay, I might take this long right here. We have to market structure shift first though. So on the hourly, we tapped into this 50% of this wick, which is the one I was talking about. That's why we came down further. On the 15 minute, I don't see us coming above this wick unless we're bullish, because I'd want to see like this wick get respected on the 15 minute. To the downside if we were bearish. So on the 5 minute, if we market structure here, so it's down, up, down, up, down. It's the swing high right here. If we shift there, then I would take it to the 9:30 open. Uh, so yeah, let's see if we shift here. If we shift here, the only thing I could see us doing is a immediate rebalance on this wick high. So that'd be my entry if we do come up here. Doesn't look great to the upside right now. This 5 minute candle just closed below the 50% and below this wick, so fair value gap can't form there. So now I'm even looking to not short, but like I think we could just go down here depending on this 5 minute wick because we were respecting the 15 minute. So we just scale down to the 5, touch the 50%, not even, maybe just a 25, and we push down here, possibly. ES is actually flipping bullish right now. We're in a 5 minute fair value gap to the upside, so I could see possible market structure shift here, I think. drop into the 1 minute. I think we could take this immediate rebalance right there on the 1 minute if we push above in MSS right here. That's I need to do calculation. 35 handles, 4 contracts. Okay. Okay, we shifted right there. My buy limit is on the on this right here. I might move it up to here, just because yeah, maybe move it up to there. I don't think I will though, because I want the um I want 50% of this at least. Oh, we're coming down here. Might get tapped in here. I think I just got edged. I'm not gonna lie. Might get tapped in here. I still have it at the same spot. I'm not gonna lie. I did not move it to this fair value gap. There we got tapped in. Yeah. So my TP will be at that 930 high. Yeah. So right here, this. Okay, cool. So yeah, 15 minute. I just don't see us coming. I don't know. On ES right now, we just flip bullish. So I'm kind of pretty confident in this play. Uh, we just need to get above this first presented fair value gap, because if we can treat this as an inverse, that's really strong to the upside. I'll show you guys ES right now. So ES on the 5 minute, we just flip bullish on here. We just tapped into here, flip bullish. So yeah, let's just see if this plays out, I guess. Uh, yeah, I'm not gonna be too like, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be mad, but like, if this doesn't play out for like, bro, this is like the super obvious one, so this like feels like it's forced a bit, but I know it's not forced that much. It's just like, yeah, this was like the super obvious draw, which kind of sucks that I missed out on it. But yeah, I don't like the 15 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I like how we push above this candle, but I don't know. I don't like how we're in this bearish 15 minute. 5 minute looks okay. It's a little choppy, messy, but yeah. Uh, we have a 1 minute for value gap right here. Last line of defense is probably this 5 minute wick right here. Dang, bro. Actually, unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I had the obvious draw and I didn't take it, so it's just gonna be a lesson learned that I need to take the obvious ones and yeah, and stop coping. But not frustrating, but it's cool. ES looks really bullish right now. Like ES looks healthy to the upside. We tapped into the NWAG on the unfilled NWAG on ES. We are pushing a lot higher on ES right now, so I'm really surprised NQ is not following right now because ES was the leading on the bearish move. Like we were actually less bearish on NQ than we were on ES, and now we're pushing higher on ES. And I don't know, we aren't just not correlating right now. I don't know why. I actually like no, I'm actually pretty confident in this play, but like I'm so confused. I'd be really confused. Like look at ES, bro. Like this is really healthy. I don't know why we're not going up on NQ. Dude, what? I'm actually really confused. Why are we not following ES, bro? Oh, there we go. Dude, look how good ES looks, by the way. That's the wrong one. Like, if we take this 930 high, I'm gonna have to exit NQ, or at least break even it. Like, I know it's part of my rules not to, but like, ES is leading a lot, and NQ is lagging behind. So if we take out this high and we reverse, like, NQ is just gonna absolutely poop on me, bro. I don't want that. Look at this, bro. What? What is NQ doing? No, bro. It's not even a bad play. Wow, I actually might get tapped out at NQ for no reason. Not no reason, but like, you know what I mean? You need to inverse this. That's actually crazy. Wow, that's actually crazy. Dude, NQ AS is just pushing higher and NQ is pushing down lower. I guess we're just not correlated. We were. I don't know what happened, so hey, win some, you lose some, I guess, bro. Wow, I'm actually really surprised, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not surprised I didn't. It's not about like me losing, but like just the way NQ versus ES is moving right now. Like ES is so bullish, and we were just matching. I'm genuinely confused. Whatever, bro. Now I just know to take the most obvious draws, which I should have known, but it's actually annoying. Bro, ES is just. I'm actually confused. Like like why are we? Okay, bro. Like okay, whatever, bro. No news Monday things. Just kidding. It's so frustrating. Oh. Oh, I thought my recording froze, and I would have even been a little more annoyed. Okay, well, yeah, we'll close this out after. Yeah, bro, that's actually so weird. Oh, that's how I lost 282. That's so weird. Okay, well, yeah. I'll catch y'all Tuesday, October 7th, Lord willing. A little annoyed today, but yeah, I should have been catching this trade. Chill though. We'll be back at it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Uh, like if you're new. I mean, like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Trading journal I coded below. We are open for beta. Discord below as well. We'll catch y'all.